We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to a funny end. At approximately 8:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there have been reports of people shrinking into tiny people. There were reports of SFM Splatterbury shrinking. We know someone who has been doing this. Her name is Sunny the Inkling Cat. She's a normal inkling, but cat ears and cat tail. There's no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. All residents across the world gathered your friends and loved ones to pray funny moments together. Allahu Akbar. This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem.